Got this fried rice on the go today with shrimps or prawns, whatever you want to call them. Quite spicy, Indian vibes. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So let's talk about our rice first. So I'm using basmati rice, and as always, if you're a regular to the show, I cooked that yesterday and put it into the refrigerator. Old rice fries really well. Hot rice, I think, doesn't work out so well at all. Okay, I've got some shrimps, prawns, whatever you want to call them. So these were a frozen, it's called IQF, which means instant quick frozen. They've kind of got that kind of crust around them, you know, they're kind of doubled in size. Just put them into some cold water, drained them off. There's 2 cups there, 1 cup of onion, 2 teaspoons cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon garlic ginger paste, and then in here we've got a teaspoon each of the following: garam masala powder, turmeric, cumin, chili, coriander. A couple of other bits, let's get moving. So you're going to need a frying pan, a wok or something like that, skillet to do this in. I've got some oil in there. I'm using sunflower oil. I've got like 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons. You can use a different oil and reduce the amount if you want. I always get accused of using too much oil. We've got our cumin seeds, in they go to the oil. The heat's on, just put that on. Just for like 30 seconds, let them do their thing in that oil and they'll infuse it. The cumin seeds will infuse the oil and give it a lovely, lovely flavour. Next up, we're going to drop in a cup of onion. I'm going to add salt. I'm going to add black pepper. 3 minutes, keep it moving. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Next up, we're going to drop in the prawns or shrimps. And I'm going to go now for maybe 5 minutes. You sometimes get a lot of moisture coming from them. And if you do, you kind of need to burn that off and kind of, so it's a bit drier. So again, stir frying around. See you in 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, so I did get some moisture from them and I just sort of burnt it off in the cooking process. We're going to put in our ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste being a 50-50 mix of the two. And we're going to go just for a minute or so. In fact, less than that, just give it a little mix in there. Then we're going to go with our spices. Let's have a look, shall we? Teaspoon each. We've got 5 here today. I mean, I'm using these 5 individual ones. If you want, just get some curry powder in there. Garam masala powder, turmeric, chili, cumin and coriander, equal parts. Quick little mix. And then we're going to go with our rice and drop that in. Like I say, nice cold rice, cooked yesterday. Keeps it nice and fluffy like that, you know. It's not sticking. Now, if you wanted, you could have got some other vegetables in here, like you could have got some bell peppers in there, some carrots, something like that, up to you. I'm going just straight. We're going to go for about 5 minutes. We really do want to fry the rice. If I get a little bit of browning or blackening on my rice, actually makes me quite happy. Adds some beautiful flavour, that does. Okay, off goes the heat. Look at that, beautiful. You see a little bit of kind of blackening on the rice there. I love that. Now, if you want, you could add some fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you might call that. I'm going to be adding some fresh chili. And quite a lot. This is quite a spicy household. So I've got some green chilies here. I've just split them down the middle. Like I say, you might not want to do that. This is going to make this very hot. And I just fold them in and I serve them like that. Fabulous. And there you go, really nice and easy and beautiful. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.